Hi there everyone, welcome to Editing 24/7. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your file name in Canva. It's quite simple. So I have a blank page right now, but I'm hoping you have your own file type where you have designed your own project and stuff. So yeah, in that case, if you want to change your file name, you can simply go into the top section over here. Here you can see file, resize, editing and stuff. And on the other side, you can see that says to Editing 24/7. That is our channel name. But let's say you want to change it to different. So let's simply tap in that and edit it. Let's simply tap in Canva projects. So yeah, it's done. This is as simple as that, and this is how you change the file name. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.